Welcome back, guys. This is the first wash in our new 7-way layered ceramic coatings longevity test to find out if adding multiple additional layers is going to make a difference to the longevity of things. Since all of what we used in this test are all proven strong performers, I don't expect life-changing results early on, but we will need to stick with the wash schedule for the data points. I filmed this on the 7th day of May, or 1 week into this, so you're probably not seeing this until mid-May, as I haven't had a lot of free time to edit things together lately. So we're in our prime busy season here in the shop, along with me working on the cordless polishers addendum, and I've had like negative free time to do much of anything. So we'll go ahead and foam this hood down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse it off to inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying everything off. So if you've got a minute, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you've used any of these products seen here, or if you're rooting any, and if you've layered them. As always, if there is a product you want to see me test, make sure you let me know in the comments too. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are looking. We will turn the hood horizontally here in a bit to check as well. 1, 2, 3, 5 layers. Immediately off the bat, I'm not seeing anything that stands out. Not really expecting a whole lot at this point either. Avalon King, maybe there's a little bit of difference. It just could be my imagination. And remember, this hood does get rotated 90 degrees or 180 degrees after each wash. So when I finish with this, it will be 90 degrees sitting on its side, and it is propped up on a piece of treated wood, so it's not sitting on the ground. But again, I'm not seeing anything that stands out right now. So let's change it to the vertical position, see if we can see anything there. So I'm just using the pressure washer. I'm not using a hose. Should end up with a similar effect, not quite the same as using a hose, but Nanobond, actually, with the additional layers, it does look like it's acting a little bit differently. Like one layer seems to be doing better at sheeting the water away. Meguiar's hybrid paint coating, Avalon King. Yeah, now maybe Avalon King 2 coats, I don't know. This is going to be a weird test. You're along for the ride with me to see how these are going to react. New Finish and Fuso are extremely hydrophobic. Fuso, well known, it's going to be pretty hydrophobic until about probably the 8 to 10 month mark, as it gets closer to the year mark where it generally would fail. Don't see any difference other than it's all very impressive products here. So let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know your thoughts. So stay tuned. Tomorrow I will have the 2-week update. Again, like you heard me say, I'm running a little behind in editing. I've already filmed everything. I just needed to edit together. So enjoy this one, and then we'll see tomorrow if we see any changes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.